So I'm particularly interested in this one, given that I live near Oxford. This is the Jaguar Mark 1 of 1956, 2.4 saloon, manual with an overdrive, as featured in ITV's programme Endeavour, which follows the sort of the early career of Inspector Morse, or as he became Inspector Morse. So this is the Mark 1. So in Inspector Morse, the sort of the earlier series of him in later career, it was a Mark 2 Jaguar, and obviously this is a Mark 1. So there's a few subtle differences. The easiest way to look at them really is to look at the sort of width of the pillars. So the pillars and the glass there, the pillars are much bigger and therefore the glass is much smaller all the way around the top part of the car on a Mark 1, or what became known as the Mark 1 after the Mark 2 came out. So this is the Endeavour car. It's guided 25 to 30,000 pounds, which I think is probably pretty low. I don't know if Endeavour had the same appeal as the original Inspector Morse series, but the Inspector Morse car was raffled off by the production company in 2002, and it achieved 53,000 pounds. It was then tidied up a bit and repaired and restored, and then in 2005 it made over 100,000 pounds. So maybe there's something for this one. As I said, I live near Oxford. If I had this in my garage, I would drive it around Oxford all the time. You could just imagine how many tourists would be starting to snap pictures of it, if indeed Oxford let you drive it around the city, because Oxford's becoming a little bit unfriendly toward cars. I think that's a slight understatement, but that's kind of where it is at the moment. Anyway, interesting lot to see how it does compared to the other Mark 1.